Welcome back, students. So now we are going to continue the next part of the chapter, the 100 races. So in the last one video that we have discussed about the various things. For example, we have learnt about Peggy's background, her nature. She was not that much cruel. With two examples we have discussed, learnt. So now let us move on to the next point about Maddie. Imagine that whenever Peggy that she had been teasing to Wanda Petronsky, that time Maddie, that she felt bad for her, not good. She felt bad for Wanda Petronsky. Because why? We know that Wanda Petronsky, she was a poor girl, Polish American. Here Wanda Petronsky, though she was an American, but she was also a poor. She herself was a poor one. So that is why. And she thought that, but one thing that was a different one. Though both were same. Who? Wanda Petronsky and Maddie. Why? Because both were poor. But some different was there. They had a difference. What kind of the difference? Because Maddie thought that, thank God that I do not live in that Bogins Heights, right? It means neither that I live in the Bogins Heights, nor had a funny name like Wanda Petronsky. This is what the difference. Neither living in Bogins Heights, nor had a funny name like Wanda Petronsky. So that is why she said, thank God. Right? Next, Maddie's feelings about Wanda Petronsky. Definitely, she had a feeling for Wanda Petronsky. Who? Maddie. It means we cannot say in the case of Peggy, but Maddie, being a poor one herself, she had something in her mind, heart about Wanda Petronsky. So she would feel bad whenever Peggy used to ask questions about the dresses. How many dresses did you say you had? How many pairs of shoes? In this manner, she had teased her that time. This character, Maddie, that she would feel bad about the questions which had been asked by Peggy to Wanda Petronsky, right? And whenever Peggy used to ask questions, that time, what she used to do, Maddie, that she used to play with the marbles in her hand. Peggy making the fun, that she made the fun of Wanda Petronsky. But at the same time, Maddie, that time, she played with the marbles in the palm of her hand. It means not paying the attention towards that game of asking questions or making fun. And one more thing, she did not feel sorry for that Maddie. It means not feeling sorry for that. And she wished that Peggy should stop asking such questions. Who wished? Maddie wished that Peggy stop asking such type of the questions. Because Maddie was the closest friend of Peggy. So that is why she thought that she should not do such kind of the things with Wanda Petronsky. Now another, Maddie's desire for Peggy. On that day especially, both were late for the school. Both means who? Peggy and Maddie. Late for the school. Because from the last 2-3 days, Wanda Petronsky, that she had not presented in the school, she had been absent, right? On that day, they had left already for the school. Maddie was glad. Why was she glad? Because she thought that today we did not make fun of Wanda Petronsky, we had not met her. So that is why she was glad. Next, after that, Maddie, that she started working on some arithmetic problems, and Peggy was also doing her work. But Maddie thought at that time, when she was working on arithmetic problems, she was not happy at all. Maddie. See now, this character Maddie, quite emotional character, but not Peggy. Peggy was not emotional at all. This Maddie is an emotional character. In between that, she had a thought about Wanda Petronsky, so that's why she could not concentrate on her work. And directly that she could not say Peggy that you stop asking the questions to Wanda Petronsky. Because why? Because she had a lack of courage. First, poor girl. Second, she had a lack of courage to ask Peggy that why are you asking? Hey Peggy, stop asking the questions. Right? Why are you asking questions? Why are you teasing to her? Wanda Petronsky, she did not ask her because lack of courage. And so that is why what she decided, Maddie, she resolved to write a note to Peggy on the paper that stop asking questions to Wanda Petronsky. So in this way, she started writing a note on paper. So when she started writing a note or the paper, so that time what happened? Suddenly she paused and shuddered. While writing, the thought process was going on. Suddenly, after some time, she paused and shuddered. Right? Shuddered means shook by the fright or the fear. What kind of the fear Maddie had? See now, shuddered. And she pictured herself. There was a picture in her mind, imagine herself as a new target for Peggy and other girls. Right? Because she thought that I am also poor like Wanda Petronsky, so that is why I would be the next target for Peggy and other girls. So that is why. And one more thing, Maddie being a poor girl, that she was wearing the dresses, almost it is given hand-me-down clothes. Hand-me-down clothes means old clothes, or almost we could say that handed down by someone. Because being a poor girl, Maddie, that she wore such dresses which were handed down by somebody else, old clothes. Only one thing was there, Maddie's mother only to change the look of that dress by which nobody could identify that these are the Peggy's dresses or the clothes. So that is why her mother, that she had trimmed it. She had trimmed the dresses, changed the look of the dresses, making some repairing or something else, that she made the changes in the dress. Who? Maddie's mother. It means we could understand the background of Maddie. Not that much poor like Wanda Petronsky, but still not rich at all. She was wearing Peggy's dresses, handed down by Peggy. Right? So that one was also the reason. Next, Maddie's thoughts. Maddie wished that Peggy should stop asking questions to Wanda Petronsky that how many dresses you had, how many pairs of shoes, or others were teasing, all these things. But at last, that she became restless by thinking about the next target for Peggy and other girls. So that is why at last Maddie, who was writing a note to Peggy, what she did, that she tore it into pieces. Who? Maddie that tore that paper, that note on which that she had written, that she tore into pieces. Why? Due to the fear of Peggy, right? Because she had no courage at all, lack of courage. So, and one more thing, that she was one of the closest best friend of Peggy. That was also the reason. And Peggy, the most popular girl in the school, in that classroom, right? Liked by all the girls, all the other children, right? And so that is why Maddie thought that Peggy would not do anything that was really wrong, because she was a good girl. Who thought? Maddie thought. At last, finally, when she tore the note, that paper into pieces, she made up her mind in this way. She tried to persuade the mind by thinking that Peggy would not do anything that was really wrong. So the next point, Maddie thinks of Wanda Petronsky. Then Maddie thought about her nature, Wanda Petronsky's nature. Her nature was, we know that, quiet girl, simple girl. Who? Wanda Petronsky. Spoke hardly to someone about something, rarely, hardly. And only once that she spoke, that is about 100 dresses. The reply given to Peggy, only that time. So 100 dresses. And then Wanda remembered, then Maddie remembered Wanda Petronsky telling her about the dresses, pale blue dress with colored trimmings, all these things that she remembered. Who? Wanda, it means here, Maddie, that she remembered, that she recalled the memories of Wanda Petronsky. Right? Wanda Petronsky, she was not coming to the school from the last few days. Right? So that is why, being an emotional girl, Maddie, though poor, that she recalled the memories of Wanda Petronsky, Polish American girl. Right? So few points are left that we will continue in the another video.